Hi friends, welcome to my channel Ruchi's World. How are you all doing? कैसे हैं आप लोग और मेरे वीडियोस देख रहे हैं या नहीं? मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाए हैं आपके लिए. आई हैव रिसेंटली स्टार्टेड यूट्यूबिंग एंड अभी मैं उसके लिए एडिक्टेड हो गई हूँ. सो आई एम मेकिंग लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ब्यूटी एंड ट्रैवल फैशन वीडियोस फॉर you. So do watch those videos. So, New Year is going to come in just next 2 days and I thought why not I should create a look for you for the party, New Year party. And I know इस बार बहुत सारे restrictions है this year 2020. कई लोगों का अच्छा नहीं किया जिनमें से मैं भी एक हूँ. So restrictions के साथ if you're going to party or if you're going to party even at home, I just wanted to create a look for you and कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? So without further ado, let's get started. After washing my face, I have applied a basic moisturizer and this serum all over my face. It's a must if you have a dry skin. And then I'm using my hazel lenses, starting with the concealer. I'm using it on the darker areas like under my eyes, on the corner of my nose, the upper part of my lips and the inner eye crease. Dab it gently with the beauty blender. Now I'm using this foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. I am taking a little bit on my palm and applying it with a beauty blender. Take your time to spread it evenly all over your face and your neck. Okay, from my eyeshadow palette, I am taking a darker shade and applying it on my outer crease. Now I'm taking a golden shade from the eyeshadow palette and applying it on the inner crease and the center of my eye. And buffing it evenly. Now I'm taking the glue and so that it can fix my glitter. Now I've taken the glitter on my brush and I'm tapping it gently on my eye crease towards the inner side and the center. This is the golden glitter I'm using and this is the final look. This is my glitter palette. Now I'm applying the eyeliner. Time for some blusher. I do not contour my face that it doesn't look good on me because I already have the sharp jawline and nose. Now I'm taking another concealer and applying it under my eyes to highlight this area a little more. I'm using mascara
Again, I'm not using the false lashes because my natural lashes are very thick and long. I've used kajal. I'll be making my brows with a brow pencil and angular brush. I'm using the highlighter over these areas. Use a lip balm first before applying the lipstick, and then draw your lips with the liner. Now I'm taking my favorite red lipstick and applying it on my lips. I love this bold color. I'm done with my makeup and this is my final look. Now I'm going to change my dress, and this is my favorite sequin dress, just suiting for the party, a dance party. And I'll also post a few pictures of my other sequin dresses here. And time for some accessories. I couldn't wash my hair today, so it's a bit oily. Okay, I'm trying this kundan set, but I don't think it is suiting this dress. So I'll take it out and I'll go for some longer earrings or studs. Both are going with the dress, but I think the right one looks better. The longer the better, yes. Yes, again the right one. Yep. So this is my final look with my accessories, with my golden dress, sequin dress, and my party makeup. I am all set and set to rock the party.
फाइनली मेरा ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल ख़त्म हुआ, और इसमें मैंने बहुत बहुत सारा हार्ड वर्क किया, इवन फॉर ऑल ऑफ द वीडियोस, बिहाइंड द सीन्स, एडिटिंग, changing the dresses. It takes a lot of time, so I'm doing a lot of work for you guys. I hope you're liking my videos, and this is my last video for this year 2020. And if you like my videos, do give a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share my YouTube videos. And Happy New Year to all of you, and take care. Love you all. Bye.